Hello, I'm Krista Jarrard with the Center for Systemic Healing at Life's Evolutionary Edge. If you follow my work as family constellator and integrative astrologer, you know that I have been speaking and working with this threshold time that we are in. It's remarkable that all the signs, symbols, arts, and sciences, everything you want to refer to, points to this time as a passage like no other. We are birthing a new world. As an expression of nature, we are part of the birthing of a new cycle, a new era. And as we find ourselves in the birth canal, we realize the only way out is through our feelings, our grief, and into grace. We are in it, and it is in us. Now we find ourselves at the zero Aries inception point, a fresh start for all that is yet to come. The Alpha to the Omega. But this movement is the Omega to the Alpha. From the we to the me and back to the we for a greater whole. This wave moves through the collective, but individuating as it moves through, meaning everyone will experience these days and years in their own unique way. Hence, this experience of a cosmic dance of 2 steps forward, 1 step back. There's so much packed into the opening scenes of our next chapter. It really defies belief, but not experience. Now is all about experience. As we remember, Aries actualizes, Aquarius synchronizes, Neptune spiritualizes, and Pluto humanizes. It's going to get real. We are in for an age of enrealment. We can feel it through all the pain and confusion. When we can stop and center ourselves, we can feel that something extraordinary is really happening. When we walk the path of holding an open-hearted, focused intention for the highest good in this harrowing climate, we find the bandwidth of unification is already here, offering itself to us. We are given glimpses of the miraculous and the long story of Mother Earth, clues and guidance as to how we may know ourselves as human, not at the center of the story, but as an integral part of the resplendent intelligence in the web of life here with great Mother Gaia. This is our journey through. And as a species, the human family is an emerging state. We're still emerging. We're young. In Gaia's long story, we only showed up 1 second ago. So we are ripe and ready to return her to the garden she is and the love that we are. Our ancestors hold a key in this rebuilding, this rebirthing. They have always supported the human family through cycles of profound transition. They tell us we are not meant to do this alone, and they are eager to support us in this challenging evolutionary period. They have invested in our future, as it is through our ancestral line that we evolve. This time is so much bigger than me, but we are so much more than this time. We are the threshold. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my channel for all updates in this unfolding story.